what?
Asian Sends, quick video. We are here sessioning, you know, race 2 months. That's it. We're gonna get to it. Let's get this bread. Fucking yeah! James, get a gap. Oh, goodness gracious! Oh, he's my brakes again! Oh! Your turn, your turn!
She's got the good shoes on.
She's manging! You're walking! See you guys!
See ya.
Bye! Oh! Oh! Oh, inside!
Brother.
Ain't not much. Oh, dog! Get the dog! Get the dog!
Hi.
Yeah! Oh! Yeah! It's one of the meals. Oh my god. Actually, anyway, yeah, we finished it. I'll check this later. Anyway, fuck. We went down home run. We saw one of the Neils or Pauls. I think it's Neil.
It's Paul. Oh yeah, Neil.
Neil. He has a giant, yeah. And it just shows how shit we are.
Oh, it's very depressing.
I feel like shit going down home run. Thanks guys for a quick video.
Yeah, they're actually quicker on an XC bike.
Bold tyres as well, can I just say that? Bold tyres and a seat up going up your ass.
And twice as fast as us.
And we're on fucking big enduro. Oh, I feel like shit. Okay, goodbye guys.